A warm welcome to you all my dear students. In your previous class, that is under the chapter measurement and weight, we were solving few exercise problem, that is exercise number 12.3. So till now we have solved first main. So we shall continue with the same exercise, that is 12.3. We will be solving second main. Exercise 12.3 second main. So it is in page number 54. In which classwork you have to write? You have to write an arithmetic classwork. So write down second main. Solve the following problems. Solve the following problems. Hope so you have written the question. If not yet written, pause the video and write down the question. Okay, I'll read out the question for you. Abdul bought 30 kg of rice from this. If 19 kg of rice was used, what is the quantity of rice remaining? So what did he do? Abdul bought rice, that is 30 kg of rice. From 30 kgs of rice, he has used 19 kgs of rice. So now we have to find out what is the amount of rice, what is the quantity of rice which is left out. So first he had bought 30 kg of rice. So he has used 19 kgs of rice. So now we have to find out the remaining quantity of rice which is left out with Abdul. So which mathematical operator you will use? Yes, you will be subtracting. So find out the remaining quantity of rice. What you will be doing? You will be subtracting. So what is the statement for this? Abdul bought 30 kg of rice. Yes, weight of rice Abdul bought. Right off. Weight of rice Abdul bought. So how much did he bring? Yes, 30 kg. So what is the next statement? From this, if 19 kg of rice was used. Yes, weight of rice used. So next statement, weight of rice used by him. How much rice did he use? 19 kg. Now what we have to find out? What is the quantity of rice remaining? So therefore, yes, the quantity of rice remaining. Therefore, the quantity of rice remaining is equal to, so how you have to find out? You have to find out the remaining rice which is left out after using 90 kgs of rice. So it will be subtracting. So write minus sign here. So since the unit of weight here is kg, so we will be writing kg. So can I subtract 0 minus 9? No, not possible. So what I have to do? Yes, I have to take borrow. So 3 goes, 2 comes, 0 goes and yes, 10 comes. So what is 10 minus 9? 1. What is 2 minus 1? 1. So therefore, the quantity of rice remaining is equal to 11 kg. So simple, you have to subtract, you have to write a statement. That's all. Now you can pause the video and you can write down the second question. Okay, hope so you have written the second question. So I'll read out the question. In the morning, there were 550 kg of firewood in the godown. In the evening, if 200 kg of firewood was left out, what is the quantity of firewood sold? So in the morning, there was 550 kg of firewood. So what is firewood? The wood which is used for burning. The wood which we are using for burning is nothing but firewood. So where it was kept? It was kept in godown. So godown is the place where we keep things. So here in the morning there were 550 kg of firewood in the godown. In the evening, if 200 kg of firewood was left out. Morning, what was the weight of firewood which was kept in godown? Yes, it was 550 kg. In the evening, how much was left out? 200 kg was left out in the godown, that is in the evening. So what is the quantity of firewood sold by him? So you have to find out what is the quantity of firewood sold by him. So out of 550, only 200 kg of firewood is left out. So you have to find out how much quantity of firewood he has sold. So how do you do it? Which mathematical operator you will use? Yes, here also you will be using subtraction. So tell me what is the first statement for this. In the morning there was 550 kg of firewood in the godown. So what do you write? Yes. Weight of firewood kept in godown in morning, in the morning. So write down the weight of firewood, the weight of firewood kept in the godown. So what was the weight of firewood kept in godown? Yes, it was 550 kg. So it was 550 kg. So next, in the evening, if 200 kg of firewood was left out. In the evening, if 200 kg of firewood was left. So what is the statement? Yes, the weight of firewood left out. Very good. Write down the weight of firewood, the weight of firewood left out is equal to what was the weight of firewood which was left out in the godown? Yes, it was 200 kg. Now, what you have to find out? You have to find out what is the quantity of firewood sold. What is the last statement? Yes, very good. Therefore, the quantity of firewood which was sold. Yes. Therefore, the quantity of firewood sold. So now how to find out the quantity of firewood sold? By subtracting. Very good. So we need to subtract out. What is the unit of weight given? Kg. So we'll write kg. So what is 0 minus 0? 0. What is 5 minus 0? 5. What is 5 minus 2? 3. So now, therefore, the quantity of firewood sold is equal to 350 kg. Is it clear, children? Yes. Okay, now you can pause the video and you can write down third question. Okay, third question. I hope so you have written the third question. I'll just read out. Weight of Anand is 30 kg 750 grams. So weight of Anand. So Anand is a boy and his weight is 30 kg 750 grams. Weight of Suresh is 28 kg 250 grams. So what was the weight of Suresh? Yes, 28 kg 250 grams. Now whose weight is more? So we know the weight of Anand and we also know the weight of Suresh. So now what they are telling, whose weight is more? So how you can find out? Yes, just by comparing the weight of Anand and Suresh, you can make out whose weight is more. So just compare the weight of Anand and Suresh. Whose weight is more? Yes, Anand's weight is more because his weight is 30 kg 750 grams. When compared to 28 kg 250 grams, 30 kg 750 grams is more. So whose weight is more? Yes, Anand's weight is more. And by how much? So you have to find out by how much weight is more. So by how much Anand's weight is more than Suresh. So what we'll do? We'll subtract. We'll subtract Anand's weight minus Suresh weight. So what is the first statement? Yes, weight of Anand is equal to. Yes. So first statement, weight of Anand is equal to 30 kg 750 grams. What is the next statement? Yes, weight of Suresh. So weight of Suresh is equal to 28 kg 250 grams. So now what is the first sub question here? Whose weight is more? Yes, Anand's weight is more. By comparing, Anand's weight is more because his weight is 30 kg 750 grams. Therefore, by comparing Anand's weight is more. Anand's weight is more. Underline the word Anand's and more. So by comparing, if I compare Anand's weight and Suresh weight, you can clearly see that Anand weight is more than Suresh. So we can write, therefore by comparing, Anand's weight is more. So next, what is the next sub question? By how much? That you have to find out. So what we will do, we will subtract Anand's weight minus Suresh weight. Therefore, Anand's apostrophe S, Anand's weight is more by. So Anand's weight is more by, that we will find out. How we will find out? We will subtract weight of Anand minus weight of Suresh. So we will start from right side. So what is the unit given? Grams. Yes. So what is 0 minus 0? Yes, 0. What is 5 minus 5? Yes, 0. What is 7 minus 2? 5. Next, what I have to write here? Yes, kg I have to write. So kg. What is 0 minus 8? Can I subtract 0 minus 8? No, it's not possible. So what will do? Yes, we will take borrow. So 3 goes, 2 comes, 0 goes and 10 comes. What is 10 minus 8? 2. What is 2 minus 2? 0. So whether I have to write here? No. If I don't write also, it does not have value. So we will write as it is. We will keep it as it is. So it is 2 kg 500 grams. Therefore, Anand's weight is more by 2 kg 500 grams. So just by comparing, you came to know Anand's weight is more, and by how much means what we will do? We will subtract the weight of Anand and weight of Suresh should be the answer. You can pause the video and write down next questions with it. Hope so you have written the next question. I'll read out the question for you. So question is like this. 20 kg 250 gram of sweet was bought for a naming ceremony of a child. So there was a naming ceremony for which they have purchased some sweets, and weight of the sweet purchased was 20 kg 250 grams. So there was a naming ceremony, so they purchased sweet and the weight of that sweet was 20 kg 250 grams. From this 13 kg of sweet was distributed. So from this 20 kg 250 grams, 13 kg of sweet was distributed in the naming ceremony. So there was a function, so they bought sweet. So out of 20 kg 250 grams, they are distributing 13 kg of sweet. What is the quantity of sweet undistributed? So what is the quantity of sweet undistributed? So we know how much quantity of sweet was distributed. So out of 20 kg 250 grams, 13 kg of sweet was distributed. So what is the quantity of sweet undistributed means what is the quantity of sweet which was left out? So how we will do? We are nothing but we are finding out the quantity of sweet which is remaining with it. So how we will do? Yes, we will do it by subtraction. So we will be subtracting 20 kg 250 grams minus 13 kg. What the answer which we get, the difference which we get is nothing but the quantity of sweet undistributed, which is not distributed. Undistributed means which is not distributed. Simple. Okay. So what is the first statement? 20 kg 250 grams of sweet was bought for a naming ceremony of a child. Yes. Weight of sweet bought for the naming ceremony. Very good. Write down. Weight of sweet bought for the naming ceremony. Is equal to ceremony. Ceremony is equal to 20 kg 250 grams. So 20 kg 250 grams. I'll better write the statement once again. I would have space here. For the naming ceremony is equal to 20 kg 250 grams. So the sweet which was purchased for the naming ceremony is 20 kg 250 grams. So from this 13 kg of sweet was distributed. So what is the statement? Weight of sweet distributed or quantity of sweet distributed. You can use both the words quantity or else weight. Both are same. Weight of sweets distributed is equal to how much? 13 kg. So weight of sweet distributed is 13 kg. So what is the quantity of sweet undistributed? So what is the last statement? Yes, the quantity of sweet undistributed, which is undistributed. Therefore, the quantity of sweet which is undistributed means which is not distributed, which is undistributed is equal to, so as I told you, we'll be subtracting. So there is no number below grams, right? So here it is just 13 kg. It is understood. If we have not written anything here, it means it is 0 grams. If you are confused, you can write 3 zeros below this. It is understood. There is no number means it is understood, it is 0. So now we shall start subtracting. So grams I should write. What is 0 minus 0? 0. What is 0 minus 5? 5. What is 2 minus 0? 2. Next, what I should write? kg. Very good. Next, 0 minus 3. Can I subtract 0 minus 3? Not possible. So, I will take borrow. So, 2 goes, 1 comes, 0 goes and yes, 10 comes. What is 10 minus 3? 7. What is 1 minus 1? 0. So, therefore, the quantity of sweet which is undistributed is equal to 7 kg 250 grams. Is it clear? Yes. Next, there is one open page number 55. They have given estimated weight and accurate weight. So, in page number 56 under exercise 12.4, you can see they have given 2 columns, 3 columns. Here in the first column, objects are given. In the next column, estimated weight, and here accurate weight. Estimated weight means you should weigh. For example, in the second object which is given is meals plate, the plate which is used to have meals. So you have to guess what is the weight. The weight which you are guessing is called as estimated weight. And accurate weight means exact weight. What is the actual weight of that plate? That how we will do? We will use a device. We will use a weighing scale to weigh them. So this exercise, that is 12.4, we will be doing this exercise when you people will come back to school. So we will be doing in the class itself. So let it be pending. Exercise 12.4 we will be doing it later. So this completes your chapter, that is chapter number 12, weight. So as I told you, exercise 12.4 we will be doing it later. So this completes your chapter. So this completes your 12th chapter, that is weight. So next we shall move on to your next chapter. So what I am having here, children? Yes, I am having a water bottle. So what is inside this bottle? Yes, we have some amount of water. And you know water is a liquid. Yes? So the quantity of water which is present, the quantity of liquid which is present in the bottle is called as volume. So how much quantity of water is present in this bottle is called as volume. So what it is called? Volume. So if I fill full bottle, so this is 1 liter bottle. If I fill full water in this bottle fully, the volume of the water here is 1 liter. If I fill this bottle fully, the volume of this water is, yes, 1 liter. So the quantity of liquid which is present in a container. So here water bottle is a container. If I keep it in a vessel, so vessel will be considered as a container. If I keep it in a bowl, so that is called as container. So here which is the container? Yes, bottle is the container. So here which is the liquid which is present inside this bottle? Yes, water. So how much? What is the quantity of water which is present here? The quantity of liquid present in the container is nothing but volume. So after few measurements, that is you have learned length, you have learned weight. So next measurement is, yes, volume. So your next chapter is measurement, volume. So your next chapter is volume. So write down points to remember. Points to remember. Write down volume. V-O-L-U-M-E, volume. The quantity of liquid, the quantity of liquid, the quantity of liquid. Instead of writing in a bottle, we consider it as container. So the quantity of liquid in a container, is called yes, volume. So the quantity of liquid in a container is called as volume. So we know we measure volume in two different units. One is liter. So first one is liter, the other one is milliliter. So if I am measuring the volume in a larger scale, in a larger quantity, I am using liters. So for example, the water present in water bottle, will measure it in liters. If I take cough syrup, that will be in milliliter. It is a small quantity when compared to a bottle filled with water. So here the larger unit of volume we use liter. For smaller unit of volume we use milliliter. Short form of milliliter is yes, ml. What is the short form of liter? L. Yes. Write down. The larger unit of volume, is measured in which unit? Liter. It is measured in liter. So underline larger units and underline liter. Next point. The smaller unit of volume is measured in dash. Yes, milliliter. If I am not taking up a syrup, that will be in milliliter. It is a smaller quantity, right? Smaller quantity of volume. We have only liter syrup in the syrup bottle. So that is expressed in milliliters. Next point. The smaller unit of volume is measured. The smaller unit of volume is measured in milliliters. It is measured in milliliters. 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 So what is the short form for milliliter? Yes, small m and small l. You have learnt in your third standard, right? So this short form or smaller unit of milliliter is written as ml. And how you write liters? Yes, we use small l. So instead of writing liter everywhere, we use L. Instead of writing milliliter as a word, we use a short form, that is ml. So these are the two units which are used to measure volume. So one is liter, the other one is milliliter. So next point. So you have learned in your previous classes, so how to convert liter to milliliter. Can you tell me how to convert liter to milliliter? Yes, to convert liter to milliliter, we'll multiply by 1000. What we'll do? To convert liter to milliliter, we multiply by, yes, 1000. Write down. To convert liter to milliliter, we we multiply by 1000. We multiply by 1000. So to convert liter to milliliter, we multiply by 1000. For example, if I take 1 liter, so what I should do? To convert liter to milliliter, what I should do? I should multiply by 1000. So what is there here? Which number is present? 1. So I will multiply 1 into 1000. So what is 1 into 1000? 1000. So 1000 milliliter. So 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. If I take 7 liters, so what I do? To convert liter to milliliter, what we do? We will multiply by 1000. So since we have 7 here, 7 should be multiplied by which number? Yes, 1000. So 7 into 1000 ml. So what is 7000? Yes, 7000. So we will count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3. So we will write from right side. 1, 2, 3. 1 7 7. So 7000 ml. So simple. To convert liter to milliliter, we multiply by 1000. So underline the word liter, milliliter, multiply and 1000. Underline this 4 words. Write down, leave one line after this point and write down 5th point. To convert milliliter to liter, what we do? We'll divide by 1000. So to convert milliliters to liters, we'll divide the given number by 1000. So write, to convert milliliter to liter, divide by 1000. So what we will do? To convert milliliters to liter, we will divide by 1000. So underline the words milliliter, liter and underline the word divide as well as 1000. We will see one example. Here you write it as example 2 here. Example 1 under 5th point, example number 1. If I take 9000 ml is equal to dash liters. So now what I am doing, I am finding out 1000 ml is equal to dash liter. So what I am doing, I am converting milliliters to liters. We are converting milliliters to liters. So to convert milliliter to liter, what we have to do? We have to divide by 1000. So what I do? I will write the number, that is 9000 divided by. So I will write the number 9000 divided by how much? 1000. We have done such type of calculations, right, in the previous chapters. Yes, 9000 milliliter we are converting into liters. So what we have to do? We have to divide by 1000. So here it was 9000 milliliter. So I wrote 9000 divided by 1000. So we used to do like this, no? We used to count the number of zeros in denominator, count the number of zeros in numerator. So how many zeros are there in denominator? 1, 2, 3. How many zeros are there in numerator? 1, 2, 3. So equal number of zeros I can cancel both in denominator as well as numerator. So I can cancel equal number of zeros. If I am cancelling 3 zeros here, I should cancel 3 zeros here. So I will cancel 3 zeros in denominator, 3 zero in numerator. So what is left out? If I cancel the 0 zeros here in numerator as well as 3 zeros in denominator, what is left out? 9 divided by 1. So what is 9 divided by 1? 9 itself. So answer is 9 liter. So 9000 ml is equal to 9 liters. Let me give you one more example. I will write it here. If you have space, you can continue there itself. Example 2. 5000 ml. So now it has to be converted into liters. So now 5000 milliliters should be converted into liters. So we know to convert milliliters to liter, we divide by 1000. So now it is 5000. So 5000 should be divided by which number? Yes, 1000. So 5000 divided by 1000. So now same way, how we did in the first example, same way we divide. We'll count the number of zeros in numerator, 1, 2, 3. I'll count the number of zeros in numerator. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. I can cancel equal number of zeros in denominator as well as numerator. So I'll cancel 3 zeros in denominator, 3 zeros in numerator. So what is left out? 5 divided by 1. So what is 5 divided by 1? 5. So 5000 ml is nothing but 5 liters. So to convert liter to milliliter, we will multiply by 1000. To convert milliliters to liter, we divide by 1000. Is it clear, children? Yes. So enough for today. So we have started with a new chapter. What is the chapter name? Yes, measurement volume. So we have solved few problems under this 12th chapter, that is weight, and also we have learned few points to remember under the chapter volume. So rest of the things we will be discussing in the next class. In the next class we will be solving few problems which are there in exercise 13.1. Thank you.